Yeah, case to
Okay?
Okay, ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Good morning everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Silan Bedes Rian Moko. You can call me Rion. I'm from Karawang. I was born in Bekasi, but I live in Karawang. I'm 24 years old. I have graduated from Marine Academy, grade 3 in Akmi Sokabari, Cirebon, West Java. West Java. My major is civil engineering. I have 3 siblings. I have 2 younger sisters. I'm the first child in my family. My hobbies are traveling and swimming. My favorite foods are turkey and soto. My favorite drink is tea. My favorite vegetable is carrot. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite colors are black and green. My purpose to study English is I wanna work on international LNG. That's all about me. Good morning. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Thank you for the time.